to be notified about all the content which I post, please subscribe immediately and keep watching. Hello everyone, I'm Kiran and welcome back to my channel Simplicity, and thank you for watching and enjoying my videos. So previously you had watched my video on the butterfly trampoline park. So last time you saw that there were very few people at the trampoline park. So a few weeks back I had visited Pune once again and I visited Butterfly Trampoline Park once more. So just check out the crowd over there. Now you'll see a huge difference in how many people have started coming over there. So guys, let me clear this. This is not a paid promotion at all. This is not sponsored at all. I always go to places, and if I enjoy this place, I always make a video for all of y'all so that even y'all can go and enjoy over there, and it's nothing related to money. So a lot of influencers or YouTubers always speak about a good place only if they're paid for it. So in my videos you will definitely get to see unbiased views, guys, and I will always show you places and things which I have personally really enjoyed myself, and food that I have always enjoyed eating, so that even y'all can enjoy the same, because we always constantly keep on looking for new places to visit and new eatery joints. So in my channel you'll get to see unbiased reviews of all these places. So take a look at this place, guys. It looks amazing with so many people and such a huge crowd and lovely music playing in the background. So watch this video and enjoy yourself, and you too go there and have fun sometime if you are in Pune. Hello everyone, so here we are at Pune and we are driving down these lanes. Just take a look at the Pune city. I'm sure you really love Pune, and look at all the beautiful structures over here, the buildings and all. And it was raining very heavily that day. But I still decided to go to the trampoline park because it's fun, and I have already mentioned about the rates in my previous video. I'll put the video in the end screen. You can watch this video again, and this is the second part of that video. So let's go to the trampoline park once more. Who doesn't love having lots of fun? From time to time, all need to take a break from their regular busy schedules and go for a picnic or on a trip with family and friends just to have fun and let loose. While beaches and parks are popular picnic spots, many people look for a different place every time they plan a day out with their family or friends. If you are that kind of a person, consider visiting a trampoline park. Many people think a trampoline park is only for children. The truth is that a trampoline park is a place where all members of your family can have fun together. The activities are for all age groups. In addition to the trampoline jumping, there are various activities like basketball playing, climbing areas where you can do this mountain climbing like thing, etc. So you have to go there to know exactly what all is done. So our busy lives have made it really difficult to take out time for our families, but here at the trampoline park with different activities, you can enjoy and reconnect with your kids and spend quality time with them. Also, jumping is good for health, and in a play way you can enjoy health benefits too for your heart, your legs and joints, and even body muscles. One can even celebrate their birthdays, even their kids' birthdays or Friendship Day, Valentine's Day, but in a different ways. Try it guys, and you should visit the trampoline park whenever you can, whichever is there near to your area, and go and enjoy over there. But if you are in Pune, you should definitely visit this butterfly trampoline park because I actually enjoyed this place a lot, and I'm definitely going to try some new places around in Mumbai too, and I'll definitely make a video and show it to all of you all for your reference. And after watching the video, you surely can make up your mind whether to visit this place or not if you're staying nearby. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope and definitely make up your mind to visit one of these trampoline parks at least once in your lifetime. So go for it guys, and enjoy and have a wonderful day. Bye. I hope you enjoyed watching that.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple.